Dear learners, hope all of you are well. Today I am going to discuss how to generate a monthly sales report using Slicer. Let's start. Wait, wait. Before going to main video, please subscribe my channel. Still, those who didn't yet. Laptop screen, there is a big data. Now I have to analyze it monthly, salesperson and productly. At first I have to select data range, go to insert and select table. The table is properly selected. Okay. Again, now I have to go inside and find slicer. This interface will come automatically in you. Now you have to select the item would you like to analyze. Here I have to analyze product. For that, click it. Okay. Another interface, the product you have selected, headlines that come in automatically. The headlines are as follows: 250 TMT 500 APS dust, blade, catfish, ingot, and slag. These are come from the headlines you have mentioned previously. Now it should be minimized in one cell. Drag down it and put it up top of database. Maximize it. Now slicer tools, you have selected 7 product. For that reason, made it 7. Your work is already done. Now the time to get out result, 250 TMT. The result is come. The sale amount January, February, March, and April salesman product 500 TMT. The result is come out. APC, billet, catfish. If I want to the sales volume of ingot, press it, like, slack. Okay, the result is come undoubtedly in a short and summarized way. For this reason, for more videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank all of you to watch my video with patiently.